exciting video that I am doing. What I decided in the month of April, and I know that this is going up the very last day of April. So in the beginning of April, around mid-April, maybe the beginning, I wanted to do something cool for my group because I am close to 300 members in my group that's called #MyScrappyLife. And I wanted to do something fun in the month of May. And I was tossing around, and I decided I'm going to host a monthly crop. And with this monthly crop, I am hosting challenges. And so there's going to be rules, and I'll explain it, and then I'll put all the information down below. But what I decided to do is find sponsors, and this will go towards close to my heart. Now, the challenges do not have to have close to my heart products in it, but you have to be part of my Scrappy Life Facebook group, and that will be linked down below. I have 7 challenges that I am doing through the month. Now, there will be how you can get entries. This is how you get entries. Before I release what the 7 challenges are and who the sponsors are, I'm going to tell you what the rules are. 1, you have to be part of my group. That's the only way you're going to be able to do entries. You have to be in there. So that's number 1, and that'll be linked down below. 2, you can participate and do the challenges. That is 1 entry. If you do have new old stash of Close to My Heart, and you can tell me what the name of it is so that I know that it is actually Close to My Heart products. And I'm pretty good. I have been a consultant now for 5 years, and that is one of the main reasons why I wanted to do a crop like this, is because I'm celebrating my 5-year anniversary in the month of April, but I'm going to do it all in May. And you have to use one of them, and then that gets you an entry. So if you're doing a challenge and you put an entry in there, you can get 1 for just entering. 2, you can get a second one if you tell me in the comments of when you post the picture that it is Close to My Heart, whatever collection it is. That's how you get 2 entries. And all of these entries go towards my big surprise, and my big value is an $80 value of a kit. I will ship it. I don't mind it. I will ship to it. If you are in the definitely in the United States. If you are one of my internationals, we'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. I'll see how I can get it to you. But the other thing is that you can also do other challenges, and I'm going to have a folder that is called other layouts. So it can be whatever you're doing through the month, that will also get you an entry, okay? Because I only have 7 challenges, and if you don't do them all, or they don't appease you, and the challenges that I've done, if they don't look right, okay, I got you. I have an other folder that I will be adding to my albums in my group, and then you can just release your stuff in there, okay? Now, the sponsors. I have, at this point of me doing the video, and I'm hoping to be having all of my challenge full, but I have Spiegel Mom Scraps giving a gift card. I have the Secret Not Secret Kit Club doing a kit for you. I have myself giving out a massive $80 value kit. I have Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop that's giving out a gift card. And I also have Shimmer's Paint, which is also giving out a gift card. So that is amazing. I absolutely love that these challenges have an award towards it. So you have to, if you want to go towards that gift or that prize, you have to enter in that particular album. So if I put one of the challenges and it has a sponsor, you will go towards that, and then also my big entry one for the Close to My Heart, okay? Now, the 7 challenges, I have 7 challenges. I have one that's called the Big Title Challenge, which just means you have to have a big title. I have a cut file challenge, which you can use any cut file that you have, whether it's pre-cut or you find one or whatever. and then you use it on a layout. Double trouble. It means that you use the same photo twice on a layout. So you can do it colored or black and white, or both of them black and white, or both colored, but it has to be the same photo times 2. And then the mood board. I will have a mood board listed in the challenge, and you have to use that mood board for your challenge. Pinterest challenge. Do you guys all know that I have done off the board from Pineapple Papers? I took that challenge and I wanted to make it. So you go in there and you have to link me the Pinterest pin. So then I can pin it and be able to do that same challenge that you're doing, but then also show me what you have done. So it could be a sketch or whatever. And then a sketch challenge, I have provided the sketch and that will be in the comments so that you can see that sketch. And then the stamping challenge, you have to use stamps on your layout of some sort. So those are the 7 challenges that I have that you guys will be able to do. Now here's the cool part. For the next 7 days, starting on the 1st of May through the 7th of May, you will get a layout from me daily using Close to My Heart products and these challenges. So that will get you your inspiration piece. It will also have the links in the group, but they will only, if you are part of my group, they will only be available on the certain days. So I will release day number 1, day number 2, day number 3, and then the links will be there for you to be able to view. Now, I hope that you will join my group for one, subscribe to my channel, obviously, and then just have some fun. I know that it's National Scrapbooking Month. I wanted to make this fun because I know that our inspiration and our mojo probably has done a really bad roller coaster. Mine has. I will tell you this, my desk went from being my crafty space to now my workspace. So I have to not juggle, but separate crafty time with my work schedule right now for the rest of May. And then after that, it's obviously just, scrappy time. So I hope that you enjoy this. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my group, and I will see you for the next 7 days, and I will talk to you soon. Stay safe. Bye.